In this video, we will learn how to take notes while researching using the Notecards feature in NoodleTools. To get to the Notecards feature, select the project you are currently working on. So for today, I'm going to continue working on my climate change editorial. On the left-hand side of the page, you will see the Notecards tab. Select this tab now. So this is the page where all of your notes will be stored. To start taking notes, select the green Note Card button in the upper right-hand corner. Just like NoodleTools provided you a template for collecting information about your sources, it also provides you a template for collecting information for taking notes. In the first box, you're prompted for the main idea of your note card. You can then select a source. All of the sources for your project will populate in this drop-down menu. You can then include a direct quotation. You can copy and paste that from your article or from your website or from your document. Be sure to put the quotation in quotation marks so that you know that this is a direct quote. In the next box, you're able to paraphrase or summarize your quotation. So put it in your own words, explain it yourself as you understand it, and look back at your quote to make sure you have all of the information. In this last box, you can include your own original thinking. So how does this information fit with what you already know about your topic or your assignment or the paper, for my case, the editorial that I'm writing? What do you wonder about? And what can you follow up on with this information? Is there more information that you need to know? Another great feature is the tags section right here. If I would like to clump different or be able to search through all of my note cards for a specific subtopic of my greater project, so under climate change, I might specifically want to look at pull together note cards that all are tagged with temperature. There might also be a tag for natural disasters or water rainfall, different things like that. And I can then, if I tag all of the cards that are temperature or natural disasters like this, then when I sort through later, I can search for that specific tag. To manage the tags that I've created, if I click on these three dots right up here, there's an option for Manage Tags. Here, I can create new tags that I want to specifically feature or be able to use in my note cards. So currently, I've already created global warming and natural disasters. And to do that, I had to be sure to put global warming in quotation marks. If I want to add a tag for legislation, I click on New Tag and type the word legislation, and then I can write Add Tag. And so now I have three specific tags. I am going to select Done. Now if I go over to tags and I add global warming as a tag, let's put that in quotation marks, global warming, and press Enter, this note card is tagged with global warming. When I click on my three dots and go to Manage Tags, I can now see that I have one note card that is tagged with global warming. So let's make our first card. I am going to use the source, why we're experiencing so many unusually hot summer nights that we found in our previous video. I'm going to title this card Nighttime Night Temperatures. I'm going to tag it with global warming. And the quote I've found, I'm going to take this quote right here. this summer was unusually hot, especially at night. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste it. I'm actually going to put it in quotation marks just so I can make sure I remember that this was a direct quote. I'm going to put it in my own words. And then I'm going to go down to my original thinking section, and I'm going to ask a few questions. Did the daytime temperatures increase? Did the daytime temperatures increase as well? Why are only the nighttime temperatures increasing? And how is this affecting our wildlife? Okay, and then at this point, I press Save and Close. And you'll see we have our first note card. I just created a new note card, and I can see that both of these note cards are about night temperatures. I would like to pile them together so that it's all clumped under the same category. So if I click on this note card and I drag it right over my other one, it's going to ask me if I would like to create a new pile. And I'm going to say yes. And I'm actually going to call this new pile night temps. And so I can see now that for this category, night temperatures, I now have 2 note cards. You can do this for all the different aspects of your project. And if I want to see what is in this pile, I click here and both of them are popped out. We are currently viewing our note cards in tabletop view, which kind of emulates if you had note cards on pieces of paper and they were all scattered around on a big tabletop and you could stack them however you wanted. If you would like to see it in detail view, you can click here and then you can see your note cards this way. And so we have the pile night temps and you can see all of the note cards there. You can click on it and your note card information will pull up. The last section I'd like to show you is the outline area. If you click right here to see an outline, you're able to start adding your note cards into the outline of your paper. I can change what my topic is, so I can put this as temperature. And then I can have subtopics. I might actually change this to global warming, maybe. And then my subtopic is temperature. I can now drag these note cards right over to the temperature section, and I have my notes then put into that area of my outline. And so I can do that with all the different piles and types of notes that I've taken. Remember those tags we created? Here's how we search for them. If you select this drop down, this blue button right here next to the search line, this is for an advanced search. And we can type our tag or pull the drop down for our tag right here. So I'm going to click global warming and I'm going to press search. And you can see 2 note cards have popped up. That's it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me in the library. Have a good day.